The Enchanted Quest of the Glowing Butterflies. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village called Willowbrick, there lived a group of adventurous children named Alex, Lily, and Ben. They were the best of friends, always seeking thrilling escapades in the enchanting woods that surrounded their village. One bright summer morning, the trio set out on a quest to discover the legendary glowing butterflies. According to an ancient tale passed down through generations, these butterflies possessed magical powers that could grant one special wish to anyone lucky enough to catch them. Excitement filled the air as the children made their way deep into the heart of the forest. As they wandered through the lush greenery, the sun's rays filtered through the leaves, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. Their laughter echoed, mingling with the gentle rustling of leaves and the songs of birds. Yet, as the day wore on, they realized they were getting lost in the vast wilderness. "We should have brought a map," Lily said, trying not to sound worried. "Maps are for the ordinary adventures," Alex replied with a grin. "We're on a legendary quest, remember?" Ben joined in, "Yeah, who needs a map when we have each other?" Determined to find the glowing butterflies, they trudged ahead, but the forest seemed to stretch on forever. With each step, uncertainty gnawed at their hearts. Just as they were about to give up, a soft, ethereal light flickered in the distance. "Look!" Lily exclaimed, pointing to a cluster of butterflies gently glowing with all the colors of the rainbow. "It's them, the glowing butterflies." Filled with awe and wonder, the children approached the butterflies with outstretched hands. But as they drew nearer, the butterflies fluttered away, leading them deeper into the forest. The children followed, their determination renewed by the magical sight. After what felt like hours of chasing the elusive butterflies, they stumbled upon a hidden glade. In the center of the glade stood a magnificent tree, glowing with the same enchanting radiance as the butterflies. Under the tree lay an ancient-looking book. Alex carefully picked up the book and began to read aloud from its pages. The story revealed that the glowing butterflies were indeed magical protectors of the forest, granting wishes to those who proved themselves worthy of their benevolent power. Only those with pure hearts and selfless desires can have their wishes granted, Alex read. Lily, her eyes shimmering with compassion, whispered, "I wish for all the animals in the forest to have a never-ending supply of food and water, so they'll never go hungry or thirsty again." Ben followed, "I wish for the trees to grow strong and tall, providing shelter and homes for all the creatures of the forest." Finally, Alex closed his eyes and said, "I wish for the village of Willowbrick to prosper with happiness and harmony forever." As they made their selfless wishes, a soft hum enveloped them, and the forest seemed to come alive with gratitude. The glowing butterflies swirled around the children, their light intensifying. In a beautiful display of magic, the forest was transformed. Birds sang more sweetly, and flowers bloomed brighter than ever before. In that moment, the children realized that they had always carried the magic within themselves, the power of compassion, selflessness, and friendship. As they returned to the village, they found that their wishes had come true. The animals were flourishing, and the village had become a beacon of happiness and unity. The people of Willowbrick were amazed at the positive changes, and they celebrated the children as the true heroes of their time. From that day on, the legend of the glowing butterflies spread far and wide. And whenever someone in Willowbrick was in need, they would remember the lesson of the selfless wishes and the magic of friendship that made it all possible. The village of Willowbrick remained a place of wonder and joy, thanks to the adventurous hearts of 3 brave children who sought magic and found it in the depths of their souls.